Most people get this wrong when they try KashKick for the first time. They assume they can cash out instantly, but then they get stuck wondering why their balance is not moving, or why withdrawal is still locked. Here's the truth no one tells you up front. KashKick has a specific minimum payout system, and if you don't understand it, you'll keep thinking something is broken when it actually isn't. In this video, you'll learn exactly what the KashKick minimum payout is in 2026, how it works, what payment methods you can use, and how to reach cash out faster without wasting time on the wrong tasks. This matters because most users quit right before their first payout, just because they didn't understand the threshold system. So let's break it down in a simple way. KashKick is a rewards platform where you earn money by completing offers, surveys, and tasks. But you cannot withdraw instantly after earning a few cents. You need to reach the minimum cash out requirement first. In 2026, the standard minimum payout is typically around $10 for PayPal, although it can vary slightly depending on your account status or region. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think they need to hit only the dollar amount, but KashKick also requires your earnings to be fully cleared. That means some offers go into a pending stage before they become withdrawable. So if Alex earns $12 but $4 are still pending, he can only cash out the available balance. But here's the problem most beginners face. They focus on low-paying surveys that barely move them toward the threshold. That's why it feels slow and frustrating. The faster method is to prioritize higher-value offers, like sign-up deals and partner promotions, which usually clear faster and push you to payout level quickly. Now let's talk about the withdrawal process. Once you reach the minimum, you go to the cash out section, select PayPal or another supported method, confirm your email, and submit the request. Most payments are processed within a few business days, but delays can happen if your account is flagged for verification. And this is important. Always make sure your PayPal email matches your KashKick account email. Small mismatches are one of the biggest reasons users report failed withdrawals. So to sum it up simply, KashKick in 2026 requires a minimum payout threshold, usually around $10, your earnings must be cleared, and PayPal is the most common withdrawal method. If you focus on higher value tasks and stay consistent, reaching payout is actually pretty straightforward. If this helped clear things up, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more real breakdowns of reward apps that actually pay.